On the first wave, I start by choosing the composition for my wave painting. Decide which elements will be included in my work, such as wave, sky and foam. On this step, I paint the sky. I start with dark blue. I mixed Prussian blue and ultramarine blue and finish it light blue. So in the finish I use mixed ultramarine blue, Prussian blue and titanium white color. Next step, I paint light on the wave. I use Prussian blue and ultramarine blue and white color. So next step is very important, because the background of the wave must follow the shape of the wave. So I mixed up a Prussian blue, ultramarine blue and little bit green color. Okay, this step is not important like step before, but we should do mix up Prussian blue, ultramarine blue and titanium white. Now I create background of foam. I used ultramarine blue and titanium white. Just mix it up and put on the canvas. Excellent! We finished the first part of the painting, and second part we will be create detailing and splashes of the wave. I painted light on the wave, start with dark blue and finish light blue. With fan brush I create and light on the foam and try to make circular movements with your brush. In this step I just using thin brush, fan brush and white color. This step my long and favorite process, so I use a thin brush and white color and I create small details on the wave. In the end, I mixed up Russian blue and ultramarine blue and green and paint the shadows on the wave. So it's the last step, and thank you for watching.